Welcome to my channel. A lot of people had been asking, do I need to install Zoom to join a meeting? Answer is, you don't need to install any extra software to join or even host a Zoom meeting. You can do it all through a web browser. Click on the meeting invite URL, then the host that share via email. Click on the Open Zoom meeting to launch the meeting. Then meeting host will let you in soon. So all you have to do is to wait for host to let you join the meeting. That's all. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.